Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to show you how to make these really easy no-bake peanut butter cookies that are just the perfect treat to make, that are gluten-free, the whole family will love. They come together without having to bake them. It's only 5 ingredients, as you'll see, and I've got the blog post which I'll leave down below, which has the recipe, step-by-step instructions and everything you need to make these cookies. So let me show you how to make them. Start by placing a half a cup of desiccated coconut into a large bowl. And I've got a 100-gram bag of flaked almonds going in, that which works out to be about a cup or so. And we'll just give it all a mix together to get it incorporated. Now you can use any nuts. You can use peanuts, which you can crush up. You can use almonds, cashews, mix the nuts up. I just like keeping it simple, couple of ingredients, and using just these flaked almonds. So that's it for our dry ingredients. Now I'm going to mix the wet ingredients together in a saucepan. Butter, sugar, you could use stevia if you want to instead, any sweetness you like, and of course the peanut butter. So I'll just move those aside, and what I've actually done is popped into a saucepan half a cup of our peanut butter, 50 grams or 1.76 ounces of butter, and a quarter of a cup of sugar. And I'm going to pop this over medium heat and melt it all together, keeping an eye, mixing all the time, just until we've got a beautiful, smooth, creamy mixture. So initially it's one big creamy peanut butter mix, and then just slowly it all melts together and becomes beautiful and smooth. It really doesn't take long at all for everything to loosen up, but we want all that butter to melt until we've got a really smooth, cohesive, creamy mixture. And there you go, the last of the butter is almost melted. As soon as that's done, we'll take it straight off the heat and pour it into our nuts and coconut mixture. So we're back at the nuts and coconut, and we're going to pour over our beautiful peanut butter mixture. And then mix it all through, just like this. Now it is quite a wet and sticky cookie dough. It's not quite the dense cookie dough you might be used to, but once it's set in the fridge, it sets up beautifully. So do not despair. Just get everything nicely incorporated. And then we're going to pop it straight onto our baking tray, which we prepared. So make sure you've got a baking tray with well-greased baking paper, and we're going to drop a tablespoon per cookie. So it's all come together nicely. Just those 5 ingredients create such a beautiful cookie. So now I'll pop them onto the baking tray. So I'll move my mixture out, pop the tray in, making a bit of a noise and a mess. But so now we just drop about a tablespoon per cookie onto the cookie tray. It is a bit of a warm mixture, but flatten it out a bit, and they're just going to fill up the tray, and they will harden in the fridge beautifully. So my tray is now full of beautiful cookies. With a tablespoon per cookie, this batter makes about 12 really generous, beautiful cookies. Look at them all over here. They're just beautiful. And now they need to go in the fridge for a good few hours to harden and crisp up and set, and then you'll be able to enjoy your no-bake peanut butter cookies, and I'll show you what they look like in a few hours. And the cookies are out of the fridge and they've hardened up, and if you take a look at one, it's just beautiful. They're perfect cookies. They've got a lovely crunch to them. They're crisp and perfect peanut butter cookies that, as you saw, were no-bake. So that is the video for today for these beautiful no-bake peanut butter cookies. Make sure that you check down below for the link to the blog post, which you'll be able to click through to pin, bookmark and save for whenever you want to make these lovely cookies. And make sure to leave a like, subscribe for more videos, and comment to let me know if you give this cookie recipe a try and what cookies you'd like me to create next for you. So thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again soon. Bye!